Today we will start with a new short story, Sinner Perron, which is written by William A. Barrett. To start with the story, we have to understand about the writer. So, about the writer William E. Barrett. William Edmund Barrett was an American author who born in New York City. He graduated from Manhattan College in 1922. He worked as an aeronautics consultant with the Denver Public Library from 1941 on. Actually, he also received a citation from Regis College in 1956. He was also a member of PEN and Authors League of America. Barrett was a Roman Catholic. So here, this is the information about the writer. So we will move forward to the story Sinner Perron. So here, at first we have to understand about the important characters which come in the story. So the story is started with the character of Larry and the narrator. Actually, narrator is narrating whole the story. And another point is about the Mexican workers. So these two characters or these three characters are so much important in the story. Here the thing of adaptability is mentioned in the story. Story is depicted in a very humorous way. There are so many incidents from which we come to know that the Mexican workers have so many challenges related with the salary. Still, they have gained the adapting new challenges skill. So this is also important. If there were so many challenges in front of any person, on the another side there is solution also. So the clerks, means Larry and narrator are the clerks in a gas plant. So they are working as a clerk, means their work is to give the salary to the Mexican workers. So it is their duty. So while doing this duty, there are so many difficulties to both of them, and they have actually they wanted to rule over the workers. It is also the main point we have to understand from the story. In the starting, there is information that about the Larry and the narrator. We were Sinner Perron. Means they both were clerks in the company, and those Mexicans were great workmen. So here this line indicates that the Mexicans worker were very good at their work in that gas plant. Therefore, everyone was so much capable whenever they were working in the gas plant. The work was hard. For the 8 hours period, they all do the work in that gas plant. So because of the hard work, the salary, there was some rules which was from the management about the salary. The first rule was that about the salary, that every worker has to give on the payment or salary twice in a month, on the 5th and on the 20th. So this is the very important point when we read out the story. The workers has given the salary on these two fixed dates, on the 5th and on the 20th. But the main problem was that after giving the salary, the workers used to come to Larry and the narrator to take the advance after giving the salary on 3rd and 4th day of the salary. So it is related with the paperwork for Larry and the narrator. Because of the so much paperwork, they both actually go to the management and tell all the things to them. The workers are actually, after the salary also, giving the salary also, the workers are coming and wanted the advance in the 3rd and 4th day after giving the salary also. So again, they, after so much thinking, the management, Larry and the narrator actually came with the new rule. So it is again related with they wanted to rule over the workers. Means they actually wanted to change the rule of the salary of giving the payment to the workers. Actually to the Mexican workers. This is the new term which is so much important. Mexican workers. And they actually they play very important role in the story Sinner Parrot. Okay. Here the rule is changed from this first one. They only get advance if there is a medical emergency. So this was the second rule of the company to the workers. They only get the advance if there will be emergency. So in the all Mexican characters, the very important name which come whenever we are reading the story, which is John Garcia. The John Garcia is maintaining the leadership of all the workers, all Mexican workers. He actually come to the Larry and the narrator and actually tells to them that the reason is mentioned in the second paragraph. After changing the rule of the payment or salary, the next morning John Garcia's wife was practically dying. Pet Mondezo's mother was hardly last the day. There was a veritable epidemic among children, and just for variety, there was one sick father. So these are the actually many reasons of genuine emergency. Means there was one problem about the salary, that they will not get the advance if there will be no any medical emergency. But the workers have actually adapting a new challenge, and they come with the solution of the problem of the salary. So the Larry and narrator also Larry and narrator has to give the payment or the advance to them, because there was solution of the second rule. So after that, Larry and narrator again think over it, and again they have changed the rule. The workers only get the advance if they resign from the company. So this is again the change in the rule of the management about the salary. So Larry and narrator tell to John Garcia and another Mexican workers that you only get the advance if you resigns from the company, resigns from the gas plant. So this is again the situation that there is problem in front of the workers, and again on the another side there is solution on the side of the workers. So if the change in the rule, there was a solution of this problem, that there was one line of joining, there was one line of resigning all the workers, and there was second line who were joining the company newly. So joining the company as well as resigning. So this is second point. There was one line of resigning the workers and second line is of rejoining the workers. So again it was so much problematic to Larry and narrator. So they were always trying to actually making a new rule, trying to make a new rule, and again the Mexicans worker tried to collapse the rule by finding some solution from the problem. So it is again related with the adapting new challenge, which is very important in the story Sinner Parrot. So at the last, the company, the management or the Larry and narrator again decide that you can't join in the company before 30 days. If you have resigned from the company, then you will not come before 30 days. So 30 days is a very long period. So hereafter no employee who resigns may be rehired within a period of 30 days. So all the workers were resigned. So after that, Larry and narrator think that now there will be no worker will come to get the advance. But again there was the entry of the John Garcia and No, died John, I said, come back in 30 days, I warned you. His eyes looked straight into mine without a flicker. There is some mistake, sinner, he said. I am Manuel Hernandez. I work as a stalker in Pueblo, in Santa Fe, in many places. So, actually, there was again solution of this problem. He joined in the company with a new name. So, again, another worker also came with a new name. So, this is again related with adapting new challenge. So from the story we come to know the style of the workers, so that the story seems as very humorous story. In the last, I want to conclude in Marathi that सिनर पेरोल या स्टोरीमध्ये सुरुवातीपासून मेक्सिकन वर्कर असतात. त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांच्यापुढे खूप रूल्स असतात. नॅरेटर क्लर्क म्हणून काम करत असतात आणि त्या रूल्स मध्ये मेक्सिकन वर्करचे पुढे खूप सारे चॅलेंज असतात. पण त्या चॅलेंज मधून जे सोल्युशन काढलं जातं ते याच्यामध्ये समजतं. पहिल्यांदा असा रूल असतो की 5 आणि 20 तारखेलाच फक्त पेमेंट दिलं जाईल. तर जे वर्कर असतात ते सतत ऍडव्हान्स मागत असतात. त्याच्यानंतर काय होतं ते असं सांगतात नॅरेटर आणि लॅरी सांगतात की जर तुम्हाला मेडिकल इमर्जन्सी असेल तरच ऍडव्हान्स मिळेल. पुन्हा एकदा सर्व वर्कर येतात आणि त्यांच्याकडे लिस्ट असते अनेक गोष्टींची की माझी आई आजारी आहे, माझी वाईफ आजारी आहे, माझे फादर आजारी आहेत. मग त्याच्यामधून ते सोल्युशन काढतात. पुन्हा रूल बदलतो. त्यांना सांगितलं जातं की तुम्ही जर रिझाईन केलं जॉबमधून तरच तुम्हाला पेमेंट दिलं जाणार. मग लगेच काय होतं, एका बाजूला रिझाईन करणाऱ्या लोकांची लाईन, दुसऱ्या वेळेला लगेच ऍडव्हान्स घ्यायचं आणि लगेच जॉईन व्हायचं असं सुरू होतं. मग तसं झाल्यानंतर त्यांनी त्याच्यामधून पण सोल्युशन काढलेलं असतं. पुन्हा असं सांगितलं जातं की तुम्ही रिझाईन केल्यानंतर 30 दिवसांच्या आत तुम्ही पुन्हा जॉईन होऊ शकत नाही. मग ही सिच्युएशन सांगल्यानंतर पुन्हा ते जॉन गार्सिया ह्याचं लिडरशिप करत असतो. तो पुन्हा त्याच्यामधून सोल्युशन काढतो की पुन्हा दुसऱ्या दिवशी येतो तिथं आणि तो पुन्हा नवीन नावाने जॉईन होतो की मी जॉन गार्सिया नाही. तर त्याच्यामध्ये जे नाव सांगितलेलं आहे ते नाव तो प्रोनाउन्स करतो आणि त्याच्यामधून पण ते सोल्युशन काढलं जातं. म्हणजे तुमच्या पुढे अनेक संकट असतील तर त्याच्यामधून ओव्हरकम होण्यासाठी कशा प्रकारे वर्कर काम करत असतात ते पण आपल्याला याच्यातून समजतं. सो दिस इज ऑल द शॉर्ट समरी or actually the short information about the story Sinner Parole, which is written by William E. Barrett. So thank you very much for listening. Thank you.